Today, we're going over 12 important dashboard warning lights you might encounter while driving. Knowing what each one means could save you from serious car trouble. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The engine warning light or check engine light appears on your dashboard when the car's engine control unit, ECU, detects a problem in the engine or emission system. This could mean anything from a loose gas cap to more serious issues like a malfunctioning oxygen sensor, ignition coil, or catalytic converter. When this light comes on, it's best to have the car checked by a mechanic, especially if it's flashing, as that often indicates a more urgent issue that can lead to engine damage if ignored. Number 2. The battery alert light on your dashboard signals a problem with the vehicle's charging system. When this light comes on, it usually means that the battery isn't charging properly. Common causes include a failing alternator, a loose or corroded battery cable, or a dead battery. If the light stays on, it's important to get it checked soon, as the battery may eventually lose charge, potentially leading to a vehicle breakdown. Number 3. The oil pressure warning light appears on the dashboard when the engine's oil pressure is too low. This can happen due to low oil levels, a failing oil pump, or clogged oil passages, all of which can prevent oil from circulating properly. When this light comes on, it's essential to stop driving as soon as safely possible and check the oil level. Running an engine with low oil pressure can cause severe engine damage, so addressing this warning quickly is critical. Number 4. The brake warning light is a critical indicator that usually appears as a circle with an exclamation mark or peak inside it. It warns of issues in the brake system, such as low brake fluid levels or malfunctioning brake components. In some cases, it can also indicate that the parking brake is engaged. If this light appears while driving, it's essential to check if the parking brake is on. If not, there could be a more serious brake issue that requires immediate inspection for safety. Number 5. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, is a safety feature in vehicles designed to monitor the air pressure inside the tires. It alerts the driver when the pressure in one or more tires is too low, which can lead to reduced vehicle control, increased braking distance, and excessive tire wear. When tire pressure drops below a certain threshold, a warning light, usually shaped like a horseshoe with an exclamation mark inside, appears on the dashboard. The TPMS uses either direct sensors on each wheel to measure actual tire pressure or indirect sensors that work with the vehicle's ABS system to estimate pressure by detecting changes in tire rotation speed. Number 6. The coolant temperature warning light appears on the dashboard when the engine's temperature exceeds safe operating levels. This light often looks like a thermometer submerged in liquid or simply shows temp. When it illuminates, it signals that the engine is overheating, which can be caused by issues such as low coolant levels, a faulty thermostat, a broken water pump, or problems with the radiator. If this light comes on, it's important to pull over safely, turn off the engine, and allow it to cool. Continuing to drive with an overheated engine can cause serious damage, potentially requiring costly repairs. Number 7. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, light on a dashboard indicates a potential issue with the ABS, a safety feature that prevents the wheels from locking up during braking. ABS allows the driver to maintain steering control and avoid skidding in emergency braking situations. When the ABS light is on, it typically means the ABS has been disabled due to a fault in the system, though the vehicle's standard braking may still function normally. It's important to get the system checked, as a malfunctioning ABS can impact vehicle safety, especially in slippery or emergency braking conditions. Number 8. The airbag warning light on a vehicle's dashboard indicates a problem with the airbag system. When illuminated, it means there may be an issue with the airbags or the sensors that detect a crash, preventing the airbags from deploying properly during an accident. The light could also indicate a malfunction in the seatbelt tensioners or the airbag control module. It's important to address this warning promptly by having the vehicle checked by a mechanic to ensure the airbag system is fully operational for safety. Number 9. The traction control light on the dashboard indicates that the vehicle's traction control system, TCS, is either active or has encountered a malfunction. When active, The light comes on when the system is working to prevent wheel spin, especially during slippery conditions like rain, snow, or ice. It helps maintain vehicle stability by adjusting engine power or applying brakes to the slipping wheels. When malfunctioning, if the light stays on or flashes without the need for traction control, it may signal a problem with the system, such as a sensor issue, which might need to be checked by a mechanic. In general, the traction control system helps improve safety by maintaining better control of the vehicle during challenging driving conditions. Number 10. The service vehicle soon warning light indicates that your vehicle requires maintenance or attention, but it's not an urgent or critical issue. This light can appear for routine service, such as an oil change, or for non-urgent mechanical issues like a worn-out part or a sensor needing calibration. It's a reminder to have the vehicle inspected or serviced at your earliest convenience. If this light stays on, it's important to schedule a service appointment to ensure everything is running smoothly. Number 11. The transmission temperature warning light indicates that the transmission is overheating. This could be due to several factors, such as low transmission fluid, a malfunctioning cooler, or driving in harsh conditions, e.g., towing a heavy load or driving up steep hills. If this light comes on, it's important to stop the vehicle, allow the engine and transmission to cool down, and check the transmission fluid level. Continuing to drive with an overheated transmission can cause serious damage to the vehicle's transmission system. Number 12. The low fuel warning light indicates that the fuel level in your vehicle is dangerously low, typically when there's about 10 to 15% of the fuel tank's capacity remaining. When this light turns on, it's a sign that you need to refuel soon to avoid running out of gas. This warning is usually accompanied by a fuel gauge reading close to empty, and in some vehicles, a chime or message may also alert the driver. That's it. Now you know what to do when these common dashboard lights appear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Safe driving! Thanks for watching.